So I'm headed to see them roll up right now with the cows and the calves up to the cow pen. So there they come. This could go seamless. The cows could go right in, or they could decide to turn off over here, but usually they'll go into the cow pen, but you'll sometimes have a few that want to run off to the side or something, and the dogs will have to go over there and get them back. Hey, Voodoo! What you doing, Voodoo? I see ya. Go get some water. Go get some water. So it went well. They all went in right off the bat. No runners, so that's good. You can see how important the dogs are too, how many it takes to do something like that. So how did it go, Haven?
Good.
Give us a little play-by-play.
One of the bulls ran at me and Papa because I was with Papa, and we were like basically in those woods right there.
Yeah.
And it got really close to me, and a cow had lungs basically ran. I didn't get hurt.
But you didn't get hurt. That's good. You knew what to
I
do?
didn't move because it was running at the dogs.
Okay.
That's.
That was a little scary moment, but come out of it okay.
Now I'm really hot.
Now you're really hot. You want some water?
Yes.
I'm getting you on video. I'm taking a video. What'd you say?
I said, Haven, look at her specimen she bottle fed down there in the gate.
Which one was it? Oh, right there.
Yeah.
Bully. That's
Bully.
native, yeah.
Which
Down
one?
there in the gate.
Which one?
She said the name of Bully.
Bully.
Which one is
right there.
Standing right there, look, with backbone shining.
Right there.
Yeah.
Just turn.
Yep.
He looked
That's
like,
the one that y'all got from the pen up there, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
they gave us, yeah.
That's somebody's got some good blood in him.
Yeah.
he looked like crap when he brought him up here. I said,
Oh,
down.
Yeah, he did. He was wormy. We gave him ivermectin, and it healed him right up, though. He started looking a lot better.
When he come out here, he started looking better.
Yeah, he did.
I thought that's something ain't gonna make it. He looked like he was rolled up, top belly.
He was very pot-bellied.
He got it off that pretty well.
He's
Right
30
now.
now.
He a little hard.
Y'all gonna keep him or sell him?
No, he's going to the sale.